Hello everyone and welcome to another Balatro video in which I participated in a Balatro tournament. Here is round one of the tournament. That's all you're going to see in this one, but it was quite a doozy and who knows, maybe I made it to the next round. I guess you'll have to find out. Oh, it's two. I'm waiting for them to tell. Alright, we're going in! Chat, we're going in! We're going in. Okay. I'm starting with a full house. I need, you know what? I'm just gonna get the voucher. I'm gonna get the voucher. We're just gonna go for it. I don't think it's gonna make me enough. No, it's not. That's okay. Oh my god. Dude, my headphones just shut off. The timing of that is insane. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Come on, headphones. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, it killed the game audio. Oh no. I'm restarting. 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 The game audio's dead. It's fine. We will live with it. I should not have gotten rid of the sevens. It's fine. Because I know the third jack's gonna show up. Everything else will show up. Everything else will show up. It's fine. The jack's good. But yeah, there we go. Oh fuck. I thought that was gonna be enough. That's not good. I thought that was gonna be enough. It's okay, I still get the money for it. I still get the money for it. I'm buying that now. And I think... No, we keep it. Hand size, it's fine. Hand size is fine. Let me just start doing flushes. Oh, shit. Whoa! Oh my god, I would kill for a fucking royal flush right now. I should have bought the Jupiter. I should have bought the Jupiter. I should have bought the Jupiter while I had it. Oh my fuck. Oh wow. Straight flush deck would be insane, but I think I need that right now. Dude, that came back, by the way. It came back. With a vengeance. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, interesting. So what I can do is I can switch between these two in the middle of it. I think I'm gonna buy you for now. We're just gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Oh, shit. It doesn't work. Interesting. Okay. Incompatible. Okay. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Do I go into debt? Oh my god. What is this seed? What is this seed? What the fuck? It's fine. I didn't lower. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I have Chica on my side. It doesn't fucking matter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chica? Chica? Pirates at Freddy's? I don't have anything to No, I don't want to risk it. If incantation's in here. Okay, it's not. Okay. That's fine. Alright, we're hearts gaming, guys. We're hearts gaming. In one. This gives me more than that. Yeah. We're hearts gaming now. Hearts gaming. Hearts gaming. I'm sorry, it's so awkwardly quiet right now. I forget that sometimes my audio breaks for Balatro. Give me, Jupiter? No. It's fine. This is not... So I'm gonna have to start finding something that's gonna work for me pretty soon here. Ooh. No, because I'm very malt heavy right now. I don't think ships are gonna help. Dude, I don't know why I was looking at the fucking boss blind like it's gonna matter. Ooh, okay. We take those. No. No. I'm gonna do one of these. There we go. That's what I was looking for. I think we can do this. Boss disabled? Dude. What a homie. What a fucking homie. Okay. So, we still have banana on our side. Rerolls cost less. I'm taking it. I'm taking it because rerolls are gonna help. Rerolls are gonna help. Are you fucking serious? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's last night all over again. It's last night all over again. Oh. Kings and queens. I don't have enough. I don't have enough kings and queens. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? 2 negatives? That's it. That's it. That's it. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. We're finding our kings and queens. I'm just gonna do a quick stray real quick. We'll buy one of these for now. Kings and queens, kings and queens, kings and queens. We're full housing now. They warned me with the full house thing earlier. It warned me. Oh my god. Alright, I just need a hologram to pop off. I need to find... There we go. That's exactly what I was looking for. I'll probably buy the gold so I can get more, Oh my god! Oh my fuck! Okay. Okay, it's fine. I'm cool with what I have for now. Only one hand type. I think I'll be fine. Oh wait, I keep forgetting it doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter. Where's my kings? Oh my god. What if I get my last queen? Okay, I didn't. Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, shut up. If this has another legendary, okay, good. I was about to say, fuck out of here with that. Oh. I just gave myself another queen. Holy crap. And then I can make another one later. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Do I do this skip now? Oh. Oh. I will. It's fine. It's fine. It's the one skip I'm gonna do. It's the one skip I'm gonna do. No, Jack. The cheat code disables effects of every boss blind. No boss blind is going to affect me. I'm looking for my jacks. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Also, I know it's quiet. It's literally because the, my headphones shut off. They turned back on. And that, oh my god. And then they, I don't know. They just decided we're not having music today. I need to add a card to my deck. Please be a face card. It is not. But that's okay. I'll just take it because it will at least up that. We go to the next round. Boss disabled. Holy fuck. We need our queens and kings. Queens and kings on parade. Queens and kings on parade. That's fine. We'll do full house. This is not going to be as big of a score as the previous one. Okay. Great. Oh, I love you. We're doing it. We're doing it. So we can build more shit. Just in case my banana dies, I can get it a new one early. We're doing it. Hello. Could I have another queen or king, please? Thank you so much. Thank you. We're gonna reroll. Reroll one more time. Ooh, I like you. You and me are very helpful, but we're gonna keep this. Oh my fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. Shit. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I can always get another king. That's fine. But I did thin out my deck to make it easier to find other cards, and that's primarily what I was looking for. Primarily what I was looking for. I will take this. I will take it just in case. Little insurance, you know what I mean? Okay. Oh, there you are. I'm gonna get rid of this just because... Yeah, there we go. Oh my god! Whoever discovered this seed is crazy. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I might need to say goodbye to the banana. I might actually have to say goodbye to the banana because this could help me a lot. This could help me a lot. People shit on Showman. Oh my fuck, you too? No, you'll come back. You'll come back. You have to. You have to come back. You have to. You have to come back. There's no shot you will not come back. Speaking of someone who came back. I kind of want to. But I feel like it's not gonna help me at all. I think it would literally just waste my money. Like, if it was free, I would take it, but it's not, so I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. That's dumb. Oh! Hello! Oh my god. That was a straight, but we're not straight here, guys. We're gay as fuck. We're going in. We're going in hot. Oh, just a two pair? That's not good. I'll be fine. It's fine. I can still win these. I just wanted the money. Plus, it's my highest hand, so even if it, like, I don't end with my highest hand, I'll be fine. Ooh, I will take that. I will definitely take those, and we take another card for sure. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Getting those tarots is good. I'm gonna pass on that. I'm gonna pass on that. Okay. There's our... Oh, no, that wasn't our 5 of a kind. That's not our 5 of a kind. I would love our 5 of a kind, but there is only one king remaining, it looks like. It's a diamond. We can try to look for it. We can try to look for it. Nope, that's fine. We'll do 4 of a kind. I think the goal is gonna turn everything into kings. I think the goal is everything's a king. Don't worry about queens. We don't. Can you stop? Can you stop with that? What the fuck? Yeah, we need all kings. We're king fans here. I will take that because those blue. There we go. There we go. Exactly. We need more kings. Can you stop? Sour, this seed is so fun. I have been freaking out. Also, I know the game is completely quiet. My game bugged and the sound is dead. So, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out after the game. I want... There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is! Oh my god. There it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Give me more kings. Oh, this double steal is really good! It's fine. It's fine. I need to turn this into a king stat. I need to turn this into a king stat. What I can do, though, is try to get all my queens out instead. I can try to get all my queens out instead for the double. There it is. Perfect. 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 Oh my god. Yes. 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 We're gonna try to get that 5 of a kind up. I'm losing my money here, but that's okay. Hello? Don't mind if I do. Holy shit. There it is. Yeah. 5 of a kind. We're doing 5s of kinds. Yeah? Nah. Damn it! Oh, I love you, Bird Choker, but you're not gonna help me right now. None of you are. Okay. Alright, queens. We're gonna do queens right now. I want to change that to a king at some point, but we're just gonna focus on queens till we can get everything we need. Dude, they're not showing up. Shit. That's fine. I still win these. It's fine. I still win. I was hoping to, you know, upgrade the other one. We'll use it anyway. We'll use it anyway. Glass would be insane right now. Very, very tempting, actually. Very tempting. To get my money up would be great. That'd be fantastic. I should have just went for one of the basic cards. Ooh. Yeah, you know what? This is insane, but I need money. I think it will come back. I think it will come back. I have faith. I have faith that this will work in my favor. Unless nothing fucking shows up. Oh my god. Nothing showed up. It's fine. We'll do full house. There it is. There's the money. There's the money I'm needing. I think this will work in my favor. I think it will. Because money is everything in this game. Money is everything in this game. Can you? Really? No. I want to, though. Okay. Disable that boss line? Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Alright, we're gonna focus on the kings. Ooh. Hold on, let me get my tarot. You know what? This queen showed up. Let me get my last queen. Nope, that's okay. 4 of a kind is still really good, so I'll take it. Okay. Not as good as my other hands. I definitely need... Hello. Don't mind if I do. And 1 Arcana. Shut up! Shut up! No way! No way, no how. Oh, no! This is the opposite! Wait, I can get rid of all my jacks! Wait! Wait! This could work. I know it does not work with this, but this is for Jags. We can get rid of Jags. We can get rid of them. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Chat, it will be fine. Breathe. It will be fine. It will be okay. It will be okay. We just gotta find... We gotta find... No, not Jack. Well, what if I do this instead? Okay, not as good as the previous, but that steel, dude, I think I need to turn everything into steel cards. I think I need to turn everything into steel cards. Yeah, that was my thought. That was my thought, Jack. That was my thought. That was actually my thought. We'll up full house for now, since I already did that. We'll up full house. One random joker disabled? No, actually. I refuse. I have more queens than I do kings. I have more queens than kings. I'm just trying not to get rid of this 10 because having the planets are good, but I'm not getting what I need. So I'm probably just gonna get rid of them. It's fine. Shit. Oh, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Would this even help? Does this count? Because I figured this would be only kings and queens, but if I destroy a face card, and the face card in question is all of them, okay. Oh my fuck. Oh my fuck. Doing one? Okay. I was hoping a tarot card would pop up. I was hoping a tarot would pop up. That was my goal. I was hoping a tarot would pop up, but it did not. Hey? Fuck. It's fine. I definitely need my kings and queens. Ooh, ooh. Should I just do the full house here? Okay. I wanted to get rid of my kings, but I decided against it because I didn't know if I would get fucked over. So I will stick with the 4 of a kind. It's fine. I'm pretty sure I was allowed to do endless. I don't... Fucking idiot. Oh, what if I... If I had... I'm just gonna do this. I was hoping... Oh. There's my double king. Shoot, I should have done that first. I should have done that first. That's fine. That's fine. Hold on, I'm looking at the rules super quick. I figured. Okay. Jack, sounds like you need to stand up. Alright, I have a lot more kings now, so I am going to get rid of that queen, even though it hurts. In hopes that I find a king. I did not. That's fine. That's fine. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. No. No, I have to pick and choose. No. Because this... Oh God, what do I do? Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. It's so tempting. Dude, where? It's fine. It's fine. Where's my strength when I... Wait. Oh. Oh. Hanging man. I'll take this. Hurts, but we'll see you again, right? Right? No, chips don't help here. Even though I have a foil thing going on, chips are not helping. What the fuck? God, I'm just gonna take it because it's negative. Oh my God. If everything's a face card, maybe I should just make a glass anyway for later. Oh? Kings. 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 Shit. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, that was good. Not as good as my other one, I think, dude. Wow. Add a... Ooh, add a card, add a card. We could. Let's add another king. Let's add another king. Where is Hangman? Don't you fucking... You tease! All of you are teases. You're a tease, and I hate you. That's it. That's it. That's all. That's all she wrote. Literally just doing this for the hell of it. How am I doing on queen? No, I have more kings. I have more kings. I really want my kings to show up. I love my steals too. Damn, 4 of a kind. That's okay. But what can I do when I have Flash on my side? It doesn't give me as much points, but like, hey. I can still play it. Come on. Fuck. Give me something good. I need to thin out my deck. I really do. One. Okay, that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. Dude, if I get my queens right away, oh, no, I did not. Fuck. Fuck, I have more kings. I have more kings, and that's why I'm, you speak of the devil. I'm gonna try to find my other cards now. Oh? Oh my God, chill. Okay, that's fine. I love how I keep instinctively putting one in the front. Wait, are you serious, Jack? I didn't know that. Are you serious? Hello? If this is legendary again, okay, good. I was really hoping Immolate would be here. I was really hoping. But it's fine. Wait. Oh, I can do 2. Oh, excellent. 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 I want you to pop off so bad, but I have not found a single hangman. I have not found a single hangman. Make it make sense. Hello, there you are. Now I want my steel cards. Oh god, oh my god, my shit broke for a sec. Okay. There's my steel card. At least one. Let's see how this works. See how this goes. Ooh, there's my new high score. There's my new high score, but I think I can do better than that. I think I can do better. I think I can do better than that. No. I should turn my queens into kings, huh? I should turn my kings into queens, or queens into kings, left to right, and then I should start getting rid of all of these to pop off Cameo. I think that's what I need to do. I need to start getting my 5 of kinds for real, for real. Oh, thank God I didn't get rid of Chicot. That would have sucked. That would have sucked. Chat. Chat. Do I use it now? There he is. Alright, let's see if it works. Since everything's a face card. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's genius. It's genius. It's genius. It's genius. Oh my god, it works. I would like to find my repeat king. I did not find my repeat king. That's okay. Oh my god, here we go. Here we go. Okay, that wasn't as good. That wasn't as good. I just need all my... I need to use... Can you shut the fuck up? I'm taking it! Gives me more chances. Alright, give me another hangman. Give it. Fuck. Damn it. Alright, alright, alright. Lucky. I love lucky cards. I love lucky cards. Oh yeah, look at... Now I have more space for steals if I find them. Which is not looking good. There we go. I didn't find my steals, but... I kind of want to use Magician. Just in case. I think I will. The other... Like, I don't need the malt one. I don't need the bonus one either. I really don't. But might as well. Might as well use this. Yeah, see? It just gave me 20 more! Yeah. Yeah, that's the play. That's the play. Shut up. Don't even talk to me right now. We're adding it. We're adding it for shits and giggles. Alright. Yeah, we don't need that. Whoa. How many of these repeat ones do I have? I only have one, so this is my only one. I need to make more copies of this. And also change it to a lucky card. That would also be the play. Oh god, wow. Oh, yes! Hello, you. Okay. Hangman. Damn it! Okay. 1. That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. Boss disabled. Good. Yippee! Yippee! Oh my god, yay! Oh my god! Should I use it now or I think next round, huh? Because I don't want to, unless I want to get rid of the queen. I could just get rid of the queen because I'm not using queens. I'm not using them. Yeah, fuck it. I'm not using them. I will, however, try to find my... I did not find my repeat. I did not find my repeat. Oh, I did. Just kidding. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm dumb, eh? Ooh! Okay. Okay. We're cooking. Yo, money's on sale! Money's on sale! Immolate, please. Fuck. No. We'll do a blue seal. We'll blue seal you. Okay. Okay. Oh, I guess I'm getting rid of that. Easy money! Where's my good kings? Where the good kings at? Where the good kings at? I'm gonna get rid of this one. Hopefully it didn't fuck me. That might have fucked me. That's okay. It did fuck me. Oh, wow. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I just want... I'm not gonna get, Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, I might have fucked myself. Oh, no. Oh, no, I threw! Oh, no. Oh, no, I threw. I threw. I threw! No! Oh my god. Oh, well, 07's in the chat. I fucking lost. And I do not have time to redo this match. Fuck! Fuck! I got too greedy. I thought I could find a better king. I thought I could find a better king. Oh, fuck. Chat, I made it. Chat, chat, chat. I was the last to make it in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, let's go, chat! Let's go! Oh my god. Good news, gamers. It looks like I officially made it to the next round, which was incredibly surprising. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe, comment, like, do all of those things. And I'll see you for round 2 of the tournament. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.